Students, we are going to study another result. Now, we know that modulus of omega is equal to 1. Now, squaring both sides, we would get modulus of omega squared is equal to 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. And modulus of omega squared can be written as omega times omega bar is equal to 1. And from here I can rewrite this as omega bar or omega conjugate is equal to 1 over omega. This can be further rewritten as omega bar is equal to omega raised to the power negative 1. So this is a very critical result that you have to know. Now, raising both sides to the power, raising both sides to the power of k, we get, so what do we get? We get omega bar raised to the power k is equal to omega power negative 1 raised to the power k. So this can be further rewritten as omega raised to the power negative k. So we have got omega bar raised to the power k is equal to omega raised to the power negative k. Now this is also an important result, and the value of k will be between 0 and n negative 1. We have already established this because these are the values that would give us distinct values. So we have studied it in the previous class. Now let us consider the next result, omega raised to the power n negative k. I can rewrite this as omega raised to the power n times omega raised to the power negative k. Now omega raised to the power negative k, I can further simplify this. Now this is omega raised to the power n, which means it's going to be giving me 1. So this is subsequently equal to omega raised to the power negative k. But omega raised to the power negative k is actually omega bar raised to the power k. So this is equal to omega bar raised to the power k. So now what have I got? I started with omega raised to the power n minus k, and then I've got omega bar raised to the power k. So this implies omega raised to the power n negative k is equal to omega raised to the power negative k, which is equal to omega bar raised to the power k. Of course, the value of k lies between 0 and n minus 1. So these are some of the important results we have to know.